I love myself.
Hello everyone. So this is Sonam Jayant and I welcome all of you in my 60-day English speaking challenge, and today is the 47th day of my challenge, and this video is very special for all the learners who really wants to speak English fluently, because in this video I have shared all the techniques: mirror practice with ChatGPT, how to read books, each and everything in detail. So to be continue in the video, and let's start. So today is the 47th day of my challenge, and as a homemaker I have to do chores like early in the morning, and my mother is going to city, so for treatment. So that's why I am preparing tea for her. Then I will give her to tea. Then I will start my morning affirmation, because I believe in positive thing. When I start my morning like this, so I feel very energetic, and it gives me a purpose of living life meaningful. So I just say 10 random gratitude practice, like I am healthy, energetic, and full of positive energy. My mind is calm, focused, and powerful. I can do it everything easily, and I am attracting health, success, and new opportunities every single day. I am blessed with everything. I am attracting money in my life. So I just say this thing, and just I jot down in my diary, because when I do these things, so it's give me a positive vibe, and all day I feel very energetic, calm, and composed. So I just do this thing in the early in the morning before I start my day. Then I just do household chores. So this is my cow shed, and because my mother is not here, so I have to do cleaning and all things, because we have some cattle like goats. So that's why I tie the goats outside, and I'm going to clean the surface. Then I will clean it with water, and yeah, I just start my day like. After finishing those chores, I just start preparing breakfast for my family. And today I'm going to prepare aloo paratha. And while preparing breakfast, I do shadowing practice and rapid fire round. But I don't have a separate mobile, so that's why I couldn't shoot the video. So let's come quickly finish my breakfast. Then I will show you. Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kohli, and this is not my book, this is my sister's book. So let's start reading books, because earlier I used to read my daughter's textbook, because I started my journey with those books like story books, short story books, and textbook also. But I didn't read any English book. Let's try. I am very bad in reading books. So let's try another time. It's been an interesting Monday at 7:30 a.m. when I slided awake to the doorbell and sleep walked to the door. I should have known. I should have known that Rahul Kaka, our milkman, would have forgotten to leave the milk packet in the basket. I would suspend it from the top of the door and left it on the floor instead. Again, and that our neighbor, Matri Kaka's cat, would have turned into the packet and licked the milk sloppily off the floor again. Clearly, Santa Tai was running late, or it too was usually her shrill Didi. Ut jao, sharp at 7:20 a.m. That woke at morning alarm. I slammed the door shut and headed into the shower. Slightly refreshed, I made chai, black chai, just like I hate it. Decided to have breakfast at work. Snatched up my book from the beside table and took off the wardrobe knob and dashed out the door. Traffic was crazier than usual as I flagged down
relocate tax. An expected off-season shower the night before had turned the city to mush. The citizen were no left to deal with it. I loved how surprised and unprepared Mumbai always was the rains. It was like every year when the first rain cloud threw their dark shadow terrain. Over the train, the government responded with waterlogging. Oh, but that never happens here. The deep breath, Avni. Oh my god, it took me almost 10 minutes and then I finished this one pages. So this is how you can build a habit of reading books. So have to work hard. I am loving myself. I love my eyes. I love my voice. I love my entire body. In myself. I believe in myself. I can do it. Every mistakes makes me perfect. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. I am confident. I am confident. I can do it every single day. I can do it everything. I can do it everything. I can achieve everything. And I am achieving. I am attracting. I am attracting health, money, happiness in my life. I am growing every single day. I am growing every single day. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. I am attracting success in my life. And so after prepared lunch, I just had my lunch and I'm here to another round like practice with ChatGPT. So let's do it together. So I just do a random conversation. Simply go into the ChatGPT and tap to the waving icon and you're gonna start conversation. Hi ChatGPT.
Hey there, great to have you here. What's on your mind today?
Yeah, I'm great. And I am just recording my voice. I was just practicing.
Ah, awesome. I'm glad you're practicing. If you want any feedback on your pronunciation, tone, or just want to keep practicing, I'm here for it.
Thank you. So I am on like I have taken 60-day English speaking challenge and every day I just record myself. I did so many things like I did uh, morning affirmation and mirror practice and rapid fire round to like to be consistent. I just want to be consistent. So uh, yeah, I'm creating an environment for myself but also I'm feeling very sometimes I get stuck. I'm not completely to like express the way I wanted. So how can I improve?
First off, that's an amazing commitment. 60 days is a solid plan. It's normal to hit those moments where you feel stuck. One thing that can help is slowing down intentionally, pausing before you speak so you can gather your thoughts. Also, try shadowing native speakers, repeat after them so you get more comfortable with rhythm and flow. And remember, it's okay if every sentence isn't perfect. Consistency will get you there. Keep going.
Yeah, so I'm going to narrate my day and could you please mm, after that could you please provide me a solid foundation? How can I improve? So
Absolutely. I'm all ears. Just go ahead and narrate your day, and once you finish, I'll give you some practical tips and a solid framework to build on. Take your time.
yeah, so I woke up early in the morning, like 5:30. Then I started my day with morning affirmation, which makes me and give me a clear roadmap for my whole day. I just feel like, yeah, I did something because this morning affirmation makes my day very energetic and gives me a purpose to living a life. purposefully. So I believe in positive thinking and positive mindset. So I since I started this affirmation gives me so much positive vibe. So I just do want continual these things, and then I start my day with warm water. Then I started my day with morning affirmation. Then I went to the kitchen and prepared something. I was Today was Sunday, so I prepared paratha for my family. Then we had a lunch nicely and peacefully, and then I practiced English in front of mirror as well. So yeah.
That's really wonderful. You've got such a strong start to your day, and I can see how those positive habits are shaping your mindset. So, to build a solid foundation, keep a few things in mind. First, keep a daily speaking schedule, maybe add some evening practice too. Second, try recording short, specific topics like your day, and then listen back to spot any hesitations or grammar gaps. And third, don't be afraid to challenge yourself with new vocabulary or conversations outside your comfort zone. I think you're really on the right track. Just keep it consistent.
Yeah. So what did you notice?
Yeah, I noticed a few really good things. Your pacing's pretty natural and your energy comes through really well. The main thing is just a bit of hesitation in linking your thoughts. So you can work on smoothing transitions between sentences, maybe add a few um so or then just to keep that flow. And also maybe play around with some new vocabulary, challenge yourself with a few advanced words each day. But honestly, you're doing really well. Just keep practicing and you'll see even more progress.
So how can I improve a lot? Because whenever I want to go with flow, and I want to be expressive, but I couldn't. So how can I improve?
Yeah, I get that. So, one key thing is to build fluency by thinking in English more often. You can try narrating little moments in your head throughout the day, like a mini running commentary, so your brain gets used to expressing itself. And you might try scripted practice. Pick a topic, outline a few key points, and speak them out so you have a clear structure. Over time, that spontaneity will come more naturally.
Okay, thank you. So that's I whenever I get time, so I just go with ChatGPT and I practice my English like this. And if you like the video, so please do the like, share, and subscribe button, because you are not supporting me, you are supporting whole women.